Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to stop people tagging me on Facebook. Follow these easy steps to stop tagging me on Facebook, and the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Go ahead and launch your Facebook app, and now tap on your profile photo and tap on settings. And here scroll down, and under audience and visibility tap on profile and tagging, and here scroll down, and here you will find these two options: review tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. So you have to enable this option, and also enable this option: review post you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. So make sure to enable these two options, and that's it. This is how we can stop people tagging me on Facebook. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.